battery 3. I'm just gonna keep doing some stunt 1, basic, you know, forward flips and maybe some rolls. Just keep practicing on those. Then eventually next time out I'll try to hover inverted. We'll see. All right, take off. Stunt 1. Maybe too much negative on that inverted flip. Learning here, people. Learning. One more front flip. It's dropping a good amount, so it must be too much inverted down collective. Gotta move it to the negative collective. Alright. Right rolls, try left, trying to watch the tail boom. Oh yeah, not bad. One up inverted. Oop. Get back. Do another left roll. Keep close. Keep it out further. Still learning. A little smoother. Gotta work on my left. Oof, messy. Go back right. Trying to stick to some forwards. Do a reverse flip. One more. Do some circuits. All right. Let's try that funnel in again. Let's do battery must be low already. Bugs out here biting me. Alright, let's just fly around. Try to get a speed run here. Whew. Bouncing around with the wind. Alright, next time out I'm going to try stunt one hovering and circuits. I'm gonna get out of the stability mode. Alright, hear the beep, it's on the land. Ooh, close. Wind kicking around. Blame the wind on that.